bootcamp we used to conduct. That bootcamp session is also going to be absolutely free. Every Saturday, 3-hour session. And 10 days intensive hackathon. Every month, 10 days hackathon will be conducted. Hackathon, you will be parallelly doing it with me, like clearing it out, and your name will be in the Hall of Fame page, which we are going to share for the recruiters. And this is the personalized internship offer letter. So those people who have missed the day one session, if you really want this offer letter, you just post, I want it in your live chat. So your company, the company branding will be there. Dear, your name will be printed. I'm pleased to inform you that you have been selected for the internship position. So, and our company, so those people who really wanted, those people who registered for the 3-month online internship, you will be receiving this offer letter on tomorrow. Okay. Yes, those people are registered yesterday itself. They have really got the offer letter today. So likewise, if you are registering for the 3-month online internship today, you will be receiving an offer letter on tomorrow. And also you'll be receiving a 3-month internship certificate. This is actually a 6th internship certificate you will be getting. So 3-month internship certificate on embedded, AI and data science. So this is the 6th certificate you'll be receiving. This is also absolutely free, no extra charges. And daily morning, there is a mindset class, because mindset is more important than the technical skills. So daily morning, our company founder, MK Jivarajan, he is ready to meet you daily morning. So this, you will be getting guidance from one company's founder. That's going to be super amazing, right? So this is what the daily morning mindset class. This class also, you can attend it for free, no extra charges. And apart from that, those people who are really serious about making money while you are learning, we are going to conduct 3 hours live session on freelancing. So if you are serious about making money right now itself, you just post, I'm serious in your live chat. So we will be teaching you how to build some project, how to talk to your friends, or how to create a gig in the Fiverr kind of Upwork to start making money. So start actually at least starting a work to make a money. So that is what the freelancing live session we are going to conduct. That freelancing live session also going to be absolutely free for the people who have enrolled for the 3-month online internship. And also how to build a resume, because whenever you're building on, whenever you are preparing a resume, you need to spend at least minimum 30 minutes to apply for one job, one resume. So that's why resume building class also going to be conducted. That's also going to be free. And how to manage your money, because managing money is more important than making a money, because finance skills, you really want to teach if you have a kids, if you have a brothers or sisters, because you can able to start your investment just at the rupees of 10 rupees. In the mutual funds, there are some options like you can just pay just 10 rupees per month, 10 rupees per month. 10 rupees is really affordable for your kids, right? So that's what the finance live classes also we are going to conduct. So those people who have enrolled for the 3-month online internship, this finance class also going to be absolutely free. And goal setting, how to set your goals, even though you have a year gap, even though you have arrears, how to think about the bigger future, how to set your goals well. So that's what the goal setting live classes, which is also going to be free. And interview skills, how to prepare for an interview, how to be aware about the knockout questions. So that is all covered in this interview skills. That live session also free. So up to this point of the time, whatever the thing which I've talked, everything we are going to provide at just the rupees of 1499 with a lifetime validity. So those people who really interested in it, you just post, I'm interested, Sanjay, in your live chat. My team will be giving you the link in the live chat. Just click that link and register for the 3-month online internship on AI and data science right now before the offer ends. So other than that, we are going to give you some guarantees, because those people who have enrolled for the 3-month online internship, you'll be getting this type of KPI dashboard by using Excel, this type of Power BI dashboard for the other any companies, and SQL project, Python project, and Tableau dashboards, and machine learning classification project, machine learning regression project, deep learning project, NLP project. These are the screenshot of people who have completed it. So that's what the complete value which you are going to provide. Even if you really want to check it out, the review, the people who have completed degree in artificial intelligence, they are learning from us. And the best course you have ever learning up to now. Look at all the reviews which has been given by that people. So go and read the reviews, go and compare with any company. So if you really wanted to start comparing, compare the course curriculum, compare the number of projects you'll be building, compare from whom you are learning, compare everything, and especially compare the teaching methodology, and compare, how the curriculum has been framed. So everything, go and compare. And if you are really feeling it is worthy, then make the decision right now, guys. And right now it's time to interact. So those people who have any questions, please raise your questions in the live chat so that I can answer all your questions, because today is the last date for the direct interaction if you are a free participants. Okay. So is there any questions, guys? Sir, how many projects do we do this in this free 30 days? In the free 30 days, you'll be building around 25 projects. But if you are a free candidate, you won't get the source code or material or anything. You need to see the live and you need to take your notes by yourself. Government laptop is worthy. Yes, we can use it. Delete everything. If you have any games or movies, anything, delete it, clean it, and definitely you can use it. Okay, even if you have a government laptop, you can just purchase some, SSDs. You can put up some SSD, and that will be really enhancing your laptop performance. That's a good idea. Okay. Okay, how longer classes? Okay, so classes will be completed within few minutes, guys. Okay. We can use PC, sir. Yes, of course. Guys, are you all really ready to see some demonstrations? If you all excited to see some demonstrations, you just post excited Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Are you all excited? Okay. So if you are excited, you just post excited, because whenever you are really learning about the artificial intelligence, you should also try to create as a end-to-end products. Even I would like to show you this. Actually, this is a robotic project. We guys have combined artificial intelligence in it. Just carefully watch. If you are really seeing this project, you can see whenever you are really leaving the robot in the floor, this robot is going to follow me. So here, person detection, we guys have applied the person detection deep learning algorithm. So this robot is going to completely follow me. Is it mind-blowing, guys? If it is mind-blowing, you just post mind-blowing Sanjay in live chat. So artificial intelligence based human follower robot, which we guys have designed. Yes, I am the developer of it. So this is one of the project we guys have deployed artificial intelligence. And even another robot we guys have created is based on the lidar. So whenever you are really leaving leaving it in the floor, it will automatically analyze the whole complete environment. Actually, we guys have created various type of robots. So this will analyze the environment, and it will find out the optimal path, and this robot will drive by itself. So this is the second robot we guys have created. And even Sanjay, if you are talking like Sanjay, is there any only for robotics? No, it is also, how many of you will hear from electricals? So even if you are from electrical, we guys have deployed artificial intelligence in this electrical hardware. So these are all, transformers, and these are all signal conditioning circuits. These are all bulbs. We guys have used to consume, we used to measure what that appliances is consuming, like voltage, power, and etc. And what we will be doing is, we'll be measuring it, and we guys have passed into the artificial intelligence, and that artificial intelligence is going to tell us that whether this load is consuming more load, or whether it is less consuming, or whether it is medium level consumption. So if it is consuming more, it will automatically turn off the appliances. Guys, is it awesome? If you are really thinking it is awesome, you just post awesome in your live chat. This is where we guys have deployed artificial intelligence in the electrical. And also we have another robot. Actually, this robot, which is different, because we guys have deployed the robotic operating system there. So what is the robotic operating system is? Here, this robot, whenever you are really living in the floor, I mean, if you are really leaving the robot in the bedroom, and in the map, which has been created by the MATLAB, in the robotic operating system, if you are really marking the destination in the map, okay? So if you are marking the destination like kitchen in the map, this robot will automatically drive by itself to reach the kitchen by itself. Isn't it amazing, guys? If you all thinking it's super awesome and amazing, you just post amazing Sanjay in your live chat. So that is what, robotic operating system. So from this point of the time, what I want to tell you is, you are not learning from just the people who are used to teach AI, something. So we used to show you the projects. We are the people who really build the products, real products and projects. So that's what the knowledge you'll be getting. Isn't it amazing, guys? If you are really thinking it's amazing, Sanjay in your live chat. Just post it down. Priyanka, don't worry, Priyanka. From tomorrow, you'll be having a precise 1 hour session. Don't worry. And also, we guys have still built something interesting, like an electrical vehicle. Even it is a real-time electrical vehicle. So I just completely worked on the software part, but Arun sir have worked on the hardware part. So whenever you are really seeing this robot, you can see this is an electrical car. And don't laugh at me by seeing my hair and those things. Okay, look at that. This is the electrical car. Whenever it is built for paralyzed people, they can't able to control that electrical car for themselves. So even we guys have tested this car by standing in, 4 to 5 people. It really holden down. So that's amazing, right? If you are thinking the experience which you are going to get, which you are going to feel from this Warrior community, if you are really thinking it's amazing, if you are a tech guy, okay, how many of you are really here who are a tech guy, who are interested always in the technologies? If you are, you just post me in your live chat. So that is kind of project we guys have built. That's what the experience you'll be getting. Even do you know one thing? In the past few days, 1 month before, we guys have conducted autonomous vehicle masterclass, absolutely free for the people who have present inside this 3-month online internship. Okay, in the Saturday, we have conducted the autonomous vehicle building masterclass. So those people who really want to get this type of experience to join in our community, this is the right time to join in our community. Just click that link and register for this 3-month online internship right now before the offer ends. And right now, those people who really need an attendance link, I want one favor from you. Those people who have made the decision already, you don't want to worry about an attendance, guys, because since you have paid the money, you don't want to worry about attendance. You don't want to fill up an attendance. You can complete your courses and you can generate the certificate. Since because of all the people are free participants, if you really want the attendance right now, let us just do some mutual interaction, mutual exchange. What you just do is those people who haven't made the decision up to this point of the time, tell me what is the reason is holding you back to not to register for this 3-month online internship. You just tell me the reason in the live chat and my team will be giving you the attendance link. Okay, deal is a deal. Okay, that's amazing, right? But other than that, right now, today, I am open to answer all your questions. Whatever the problem you have, or whatever the, it might be like problem related to the coding stuffs. It might be on career or it might be anything. Whatever the questions you have, please ask your questions in this live chat so that I can able to reply you. Okay, I can able to solve you. And other than that, those people who really are having examinations, actually, Sanjay, I have exams right now. What is the option I can tell you is, you can register for the 3-month online internship right now in this 1499 price, and you can customize your offer letter later. Okay, for example, Sanjay, I want to start this 3-month online internship after 2 months. Yes, that option is also available. Okay, you can register right now and you can contact my team to get the customization on offer letter, because once this offer ends, the price will be changing into 7,000 and above. So that's why we really giving this opportunity. You can register right now and you can start it at any time you really want. Nandisha, is your certificate qualify as to get the job in companies? No, none other any certificate will make you to get qualified to get a job. None other than certificate, because nowadays certificate is like, well, whenever you are putting any certificates in your resume, that is where you are telling your recruiter that ask the questions related to this. So it is all about your skills. Okay, it is all about your skills, guys. Reason is very simple. The course is just oriented in a project deployment like MLOps. Okay, I got it, Soham. I got it. Okay. So yes, I just don't have time and financial issues. Okay, that's great. And Kumaran, so hi Sanjay, can you mention some of the unique projects in data science which will highlight resume other than the regular projects? While talking about other than the regular projects or real projects or something, instead you should approach a company. You should solve a certain company, because there is a two type. One is doing project by yourself and getting an idea from some internet and doing by yourself. But other than that, there is another extent when you have really made one company to jump from 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs. Here that 5 lakh profit or 5 lakh sales, that is being made with the help of the decision which you are given, with the help of the insight which you are given. That really going to increase your opportunity, job opportunity. That's why try to apply for the freelancing and try to do a real life project. Try to create an end-to-end project. Even if you are working on the AI engineer, try to build one real end-to-end product. If you're really wanted to be work on generative AI, try to work on a real product. Okay, because yesterday itself I've shown you the demo, right? I've opened my growthflow.ai tool and I've shown you how we guys have deployed the generative AI in a real life. How many of you will really amazed while seeing the yesterday's demo? If you are really remember that demo, you just post amazed in your live chat. What is the demo was? We guys have used the growthflow.ai. How many of people really wanted to see that? If you really wanted to see that, you just post I wanted Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, if you really wanted to see that, you just post I wanted Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. Sir, you will be teaching resume building for 30 days? No. Okay, 30 days resume building will be there. It is just a 3 hours live. Okay, since a lot of people are posting, I want it. So I'll show you. So we have actually a growthflow.ai, which is an automation tool for entrepreneurs. So guys, yes, I forgot to tell you, this Forage Way community is not only guide you in the technical terms, it is going to help you in every aspect, because we are providing. All, I would like to show you the live proof. Wait a minute, let me show you. Guys, are you all excited to see that? Yes. Just see that here we have made, look how that Pradeep have made around 2.5 lakhs in 2 to 3 days. And also, if you are scrolling above, you can see this is our What is Way Millionaires Club. So what is this What is Way Millionaires Club is? It is helping the people to start up a business and making tons and tons of entrepreneurs. Okay, so look how that another person I posted, Gopi Chand. So those people who used to think I don't have, I'm more than 30 age or 40 age, how can I learn this or not? So on the aspects, I can show him as a live proof, because his age is 60 years and he finally made 5 lakhs in a sales. Okay, first initially he made 1.6 lakhs and then he just pushed it to 5 lakhs in a sales. Guys, is it inspiring? If it is inspiring, you just post inspiring Sanjay in your live chat. So this is what our What is Way community is. Don't think like What is Way community is like giving courses and leaving you like as it is. No, it is going to be completely different, where it is going to be train you in every aspect of your life. It is going to give you the technical coaching. It is going to give you the mindset coaching. It is going to give you the soft skill coaching. It is going to build your entrepreneurship skills inside you. It is going to create your mold yourself in a positive person, as a positive person. And also, Golem is also another person who just made 6,000 US dollars in up to the 30 days program. Okay, 6,000 multiples of 80. Just look at that, which is around 4.8 lakhs. So Golem have made that. So that is what this What is Way community, guys. Okay. So those people who really want to get into our community, so right now this 1499 is going to bring you inside this community. Those people who haven't joined the community, just join it right now. And also, I would like to show you the live proof of how we guys have deployed the generative AI here. Okay, so what I can do is, okay, let me show you. Okay, actually, this is our conversation tab. We have it in the tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Instagram. Okay, so yes, I'm just opening my Instagram. And okay, wait, before that, I wanted to check it out whether conversation AI is enabled or disabled. Okay, so I'm going to open my Instagram, and in the chat, okay, in the Pantech Solutions, Instagram, I think you might have already followed that. So in the Instagram, so I'm going to do that direct DM, okay, to this company. Actually, it is in another development. It is going to be launched very soon. While seeing this demo, you'll be really amazed. I'm going to turn on this autopilot mode. So this is the growthflow.ai tool. So what I'm going to do is, what is the course validity? So, okay, I'm going to ask it from my Instagram. Okay, I'm going to ask the question like, what is the course validity is? So whenever I ask that question, look how that here, this reply, which is going to be formed by itself. Look how that the AI bot will respond to the contact in a few minutes. I mean, 27 seconds. Ta-da! You can see the courses are indeed lifetime validity. So you can access them wherever you really need. Whenever you need. Guys, is it an amazing? If it's super amazing, you just post super amazing Sanjay in your live chat. This is what the power of generative AI. You can able to create an end-to-end solution for the company to solve their issues. Because you all surfing in the Instagram, right? Right now, a lot of companies, a lot of influencers, they are selling some products. So what you can do is you can create this type of application. You can able to provide this type of end-to-end solution to that certain company, and you can make some money from that company. Isn't it amazing? So those people who really wanted to be in this type of amazing community called What is Way Coaching Hub. So this is the right time to join the community. Just click that link and register for it. So my team, please, I'm requesting you to give the attendance link in the live chat so people can able to fill it up. And I'm sorry for taking 1.5 hour class, guys. From tomorrow, don't worry, you are not going to see me directly interacting with you. So from tomorrow, 28 days is gonna be a record a live session. You can just watch the live, okay? You can't interact. There's not gonna be any other these kind of talks, okay? So we'll be having a precise 1 hour technical session for the rest of the 28 days. So those people who are all in the free category, don't never ever miss out, any day, because if you are missing one day, that's it. Attendance has been gone. And from tomorrow, attendance will be recorded automatically by the tool. So when you are coming into this live, when you are leaving, and how much time you are really interacted, did you posted anything in the chat? So likewise, everything will be recorded by our tool. So if you have any 24 days of attendance, our tool itself, it will kick you off from this 30-day challenge. So 25 days is mandatory attendance required to get the free participant certification. Okay. So yes. Okay. So right now it's time to answer one of the very important question she asked. The question is suggest a laptop. Okay. Srijita. Guys, how many of you really wanted to know about the laptop? If you are really about to purchase the laptop, you just post, I wanted to know in your lecture, guys. On the aspects. So first of all, I want you guys to focus on, of course, the processor. The processor is okay, but even though, while talking about the processor, even though it is an i5 processor, or even though it is an i5 or i7, nowadays i3 is not there. So even though it is an i5 processor or any processor, okay, so Intel or Ryzen, that's okay. But whenever you're talking about those processor, please watch the generation. Generation is very important, because whenever you're going for the processors like Intel processor or Ryzen, just carefully watch the generation. Because some people used to think i7 processor, which is amazing, they will purchase the laptop, but that is i7 with 6th generation. 6th generation is very, 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 very old. So that's why people are getting, easily cheated, because whenever you're going and checking out in the Amazon, whenever the price is very low, that is because of the generation is very less. Okay, be aware about the processor which you are purchasing. The generation is very important. Right now, I think 12 or 13th is going on. I'm not sure. It's been a very long day when I'm checking out the laptops. But just carefully watch about the generation, latest gen. At least right now, this generation or previous generation. That will be good. First thing is about the processors. And second thing about the RAM. So while talking about the RAM, minimum nowadays we really require 16 GB RAM. Okay, if you can afford only for the 8 GB, that's okay. But 16 GB, if it is there, that's good. Okay, minimum 8, or else you just go for the 8 GB. And third thing, which is about the hard drives. While talking about the hard drives, don't get hard drives. Okay, instead always get SSD. So solid state drive, because solid state drive, which is going to give you the very good performance when comparing with hard drives. So please don't go with the hard drives, even though it is 1 TB hard drive. Don't go with the hard drive. If you are having a laptop with both the hard drives and the SSD, go for it. But other than that, if you can able to go with only one option, SSD or hard drive, please go with the hard drive. Even though it is 512 GB, please okay with that. You can purchase external hard drives or external hard disks, but while talking about the hard drives, go with the SSD instead of going with the hard drives. Okay, normal hard disk. And fourth very important thing is graphics card. So while talking about the graphics card, never ever get AMD graphics card. Okay, never ever get AMD graphics card. Instead, go with NVIDIA graphics card. Even it can be GTX 1650 or RTX 3060 or RTX 3090 or anything. But go with NVIDIA graphics card. Don't get AMD graphics card. Go with NVIDIA graphics card. That's going to be very suggestible. So this will make something good. But other than that, check out the model, whether the model is successive model or failure model. Because sometimes some hardware, some model got failed, even though it is having some this kind of specifications. So these are all the very important thing. And while talking about the Intel, yes, thank you so much, Krishnan, for reminding that. Yes, GTX 1650, yeah. So on this aspects, Intel, you can go with i5 or i7 or something. And while talking about the Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7 is also there. It is also giving a great performance. Yeah, this is what the thing. I hope you have got a clear idea, guys. If it is valuable, you just post valuable in your lecture, guys. Okay, is it really valuable? If you are really thinking it's super valuable, you just post valuable such in your lecture. And other than that, do you guys have any questions? Because today is the last day where we are going to talk. Okay, so that's why I'm asking you, do you have any questions or not? If you have any questions, please ask it right now itself. Srijita, thank you so much for posting that. Yeah. Is there any other question, guys? Because from tomorrow, if you are a free participant, you can't able to interact with me directly. So whatever the questions you have, please ask. My team have already shared the attendance link. My team, I'm requesting you to post the attendance link again. in the live chat. Sanjay, I didn't get the WhatsApp community group. Definitely might get. It's in deactivated, I think so. So we'll be activating it very soon. I'll be giving it for you. Don't worry. Do we have an exam this 30 days practice session? No, no examinations. Okay. But other than that, we have a task. But other than that, there's not going to be any exams like this. Guys, is there any other interesting questions you really wanted to ask? So time is running out, guys. Those people who haven't made the decision, make it faster. And the people who have made the decision, you just post I made it. And if you are a people who are registered for the 3-month online internship, you don't want to attend free live session hereafter. Focus on your courses. Okay, focus on your recorded courses. Focus on the Saturday live sessions. Other than that, don't want to attend the 7 p.m. live sessions. Okay, Srijat Saga, I made it. Okay, that's great. Okay, all the very best. Get a good laptop because that's a very good investment. Because even though when I'm studying around, 10 from the 8th to 9th standard, I used to borrow the laptop and bigger, huge PC from the other people I'll be working on. But once I got the laptop, at 11th standard, I think so, it's a very good investment that really helped me a lot. So just get a good laptop. I think just compare the service. Service is the very important thing whenever you are getting a laptop. Just check it out whether the specs and service is good for the company. On that services, I will mostly prefer Intel, HP, and Acer is also good somewhat. Yeah, these things is good. And Lenovo, I don't think so. Okay, Lenovo is not suggestible. Don't go with the Lenovo. Lenovo is not performing well in India. Instead, you can go with Asus. Asus okay, but I'm not sure about the Asus services. Please check out. As a service center is good or not. But other than that, I really got to know that Dell and HP, their services is amazing. Yeah. Just do the research and then choose. I got the offer letter. When will I get the internship certificate? Actually, 5 individual internship certificate. Whenever you are completing the courses, you'll be getting each and one by one certificate. But other than that, 3-month internship certificate you'll be receiving once you are off. Once your period got over. Yeah. So guys, other than that, I hope you really enjoyed the session. If you have really enjoyed the session, you just post I enjoyed Sunshine in your live chat. So first of all, thank you so much for being super interactive on these 2 days. I felt really satisfied to spend this 2 to 3 hours on these 2 days with you because your interaction was amazing. Your enthusiasm towards learning something which is really amazing. I feel really, really happy with you. So thank you so much. Thank you so much once again for all the love, all the support, all the interaction which you are given throughout this live session. So thank you. And the free participants, just keep one thing in your mind. Don't be on the free mindset because my mentor used to tell me that don't be cheap on the way to the greatness. For an example, if you want to buy the mattress or bed or something. So bed is going to make you to feel comfortable and have a good, comfortable and good sleep, right? On purchasing the bed, you should not be cheap because that bed will affect your daily life. Because whenever you're not having a comfortable sleep, it will affect your next day. Okay, you'll be having a back pain. You'll be having uncomfortable nights. You won't have any peaceful sleep. On the time, whenever you're purchasing the bed, so don't be cheap. Okay, don't be cheap on the way to the greatness. So this is going to be same for a lot of things. It can be upgrading your skill. It can be purchasing a bed. It can be purchasing, something like laptop. Not phone. Okay, phone is not that much required, but laptop is definitely it is going to be required. Instead of spending 1.5 lakhs on phones, you can put that money in purchasing a very good laptop. That is going to be really making sure it is going to be really worthy. Okay, because it is going to be really helpful for building great applications and started making money is a lot of things. So that's why don't be cheap on the way to the greatness. And other than that, so thank you so much once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you inside our Inner Circle community calls.